guys, and this is a Christmas battle. These are Christmas battles. Sorry about that, guys. Let's start up versus Psycho Herculeo. I got this baby. So this is gonna be an awesome battle. I got the Tornado Stadium finally. He punched them there. Gonna scratch it. Yeah, now I just want to see. So, Herculeo wins that battle. He's really mad from last time. Last time the third was totally owning him like crazy. Come back here right now, or you're fired. He lost! Let's start that is out. Defeated! With one win and one win and another win. That's what I'm saying. One win and another win. Let's start that Christmas Eve. It's Christmas. I got this present for Christmas. Hammer! Come on, Asura. You gotta get one win. Last time you were totally owning him. Asura wins it! So, 2-1. Oh, that was Psycho Herculeo. So, he's the winner of this battle. Bye, guys.